Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this problem, we're given a heat, Q equals 1.95 times 10 to the third joules. We're given an initial temperature of 23.0 degrees Celsius. And we want to find the mass of various substances at various final temperatures using this information. And so the first thing we can do is take our equation for heat, Q equals m the mass times Cs, the specific heat, times delta T, and rearrange this to solve for m. And so we get m equals Q over Cs delta T. And so now that we have this, we can begin to solve this problem. So our first substance is Pyrex glass. And so we use this equation, m equals, our Q is the same for all these, 1.95 times 10 to the third joules. And we divide that by the specific heat of Pyrex glass, which is 0.75. And then our delta T will be our final temperature, which is given as 55.4, minus the 23.0, our initial temperature. And solving this gives us a mass of 80.25 grams. So that's our final answer for letter A. Now I'll go to a letter B, and this time we have sand. So again, we'll use our same equation, m equals Q over Cs delta T. In this case, our Q is the same, 1.95 times 10 to the third joules. We divide that by the Cs specific heat for sand, which is 0.84. And then our delta T is just going to be our final temperature, given as 62.1, minus our 23.0, which is our initial temperature. And when we solve for this, we get a mass of 59.37 grams. So for letter C, this time we have ethanol. And so again, we use the same equation, m equals Q over Cs delta T. Our Q remains the same. And now our specific heat is 2.42. That's what it is for ethanol. And our final temperature is 44.2. Subtract our initial temperature to get our temperature change. And when we do this, we get a mass of 38.01 grams. So now finally to move on to letter D, which is water. So again, we take our same equation, m equals Q over Cs delta T. Our Q is again the same, 1.95 times 10 to the third joules. Our Cs in this case is 4.18. And our change in temperature, our final temperature is 32.4. Our initial temperature is 23.0. And so that gives a mass of 49.63 grams. And so that is our final answer for letter D.